Refugee First Lady Aisha Buhari. Hey, my people, when last when I hear this name, yes, she don't finally break the silence. I just say the last time we all of us even hear about this woman, and when they talk say she don't go Dubai, oh, she don't go this one, many talk. Now she don't come out. And I remember say, what did they call her? Women International Day. Now this woman come out, come break silence. Oh, they wish all the women. According to Ram, he said they wish all of you now. Very happy. In fact, I don't even want to complete this statement because the thing even they piss me off, like they make me vex. And now, people don't they talk say why she no go come Nigeria, come wish us the thing. Why she no? I say make her bring the matter come on aside for now. We no say this woman still there alive. Now when they think say she don't die. Auntie Aisha, because no be the kind silence wey want me you break with this one. Because this one now when they come outside, you break silence. Because no be this one we want me you break. Very, because I know even no wait till they inside women happy this one. No, you they wish us for waiting. Wait, we go use and take chop eba. I be waiting we go use and do. Bring us better message. Maybe we know say okay, oh this one. Which kind of matter be this one? President own audio. You go the same person make on the deliver message through voice notes. Now first lady own na invisible. We no even they see am. In fact, two of una I don't even know whether una even know position una dey hold for this country. Una think say na school we dey. Where you be class captain, you come school the day where you want, you no come the day where you no want. Because you are, in fact, make I remind you now of una position. President, first lady. In case una don't forget. This will not be family matter. Now una dey run, in fact, now una even dey hold this nation. And so maybe you come outside now, come tell us, okay, now this thing happened to my murdered husband, now this thing no happen, now this time they come back, give us better news. Now the silence won't make you break with that one. At least if you come outside, come tell us that one, people go see, say, okay, even though all of now, I don't know what this day, but at least you go see, say, okay, this one don't come out. They can't do a happy women's day. Not even wish us women's day, because if they call women outside, you don't even need to come outside. You don't even deserve them. You don't deserve them. Just the year they talk. I bet bring her outside, say, may everybody see who I even they talk about. Bring her outside. Madam Women's Day Association of Nigeria. Of all days, since where you go, you know, not say, okay, you go check up on your children, no, mother of all nations. You know go even check whether we don't chop, whether we nothing, you just day. Happy Women's Day, happy this and this and Women's Day. I don't understand, not to my own understanding, though, I don't know for una. You understand? Now, when all the women they come together to celebrate social, political, economical, achievement, where they don't do together as women. No, which one you don't achieve? You they call the wish us. Which one you achieve? Since you even they run away. Nonsense people. They come outside, they tell my people, see, I don't tire for these people. If you now ask me, may they just carry this country now, put them in the hand of youth. Make we not say now we they run them, because people where we even put there now, I not just understand. As first lady. What did this woman don't ever do? When we go to say, first lady, una she. What did this woman don't ever do? No wonder even your husband, whether I don't even know whether I'm the molded one, I've been at the original one. No wonder I even tell you say you belong to the kitchen. Because I know, which other thing you feel do? Even that kitchen itself, I don't even know. You be mother of nations, oh. This Nigeria, now you. But you no go behave like one, you go just day, you dey run. Even citizens where they travel, we they know, like we they tell each other, you they leave country, you don't even feel open mouth. Tell us say, okay, my people, now the truth with this so. If not before this Women's Day where happen, where you come out, can't give speech, I don't even forget say you exist. Not only first, you be last lady, the last one. You dey, in fact, you are behind. You and your husband, now just carry this country, turn her upside down. No fundamental right for women. Say women wey dey celebrate. We no even get the fundamental rights wey we deserve. We no get them, but we dey celebrate us. No allow me send thunder for where they charge them, because if e reach you, if e reach you, my people, women's day oh, abeg for una wey be women, me I'm still a girl, you understand? So she don dey wish all of una. So una take am, abi una no take am. That one na between all of una together. I know dey inside in my hand. So now the matter be this from Nigerian first lady, first lady. Make you not to say, you understand? Nigerian first lady. So abeg any reply wey una get for am, drop am for that comment section. She go hear am. And na why una need share this video, so that she go know say we no accept this greeting wey she dey greet, you understand? And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that thing. E no go kill you, you understand? Just support this your girl here. Alpha. Stay tuned for the next story. Tattoo pandemic season 7. Another lady don't come outside now when they tackle people where they blast am because say she draw Bobrisky tattoo for her chest. According to this girl, she say many people don't enter in DM, they give am different advice. He say make una keep am, she no need una advice. Say make una keep am, una go use am for something better. After all, no be una body she use draw the tattoo, and no be una face. Bobrisky no be una relative where we go say okay, una dey fight over matter. And the more una dey talk, the more she go dey draw the tattoo. Say if una give am chance, in fact una see him whole body, he go just go make they just do Bobrisky on top of his skin as a whole human being. Abeg Biko, join me make we listen to this mosquito wey dey talk.
Message is literally for those in my DM that are advising me. I'm sorry bro, your advice is not needed. Sophie, why did you choose to draw Bobrisky? Out of everybody in the world, you chose to draw a demon. Transform yourself to a demon so I can draw you. If it's that easy. It's not your body. It's not your face. Bobrisky is not related to you. I don't know why you are so pained. Then as for those that are insulting and are mocking me, I'm coming back for you guys. You draw Bobrisky, you draw this one, you draw that one, and you are in a DM. Always on a comment section commenting. If you are not a hypocrite, the more you talk, the more I draw. If possible, self, I will draw on my forehead, draw in my eyes, so whenever I wake up, I will see the love of my life. So if you don't know what to do, kill yourself. Rubbish. Drawing Bobrisky is one of the best and nice decisions I've ever made.
Oh God, Naija. I dey wonder if people like this, when they talk this kind of nonsense, I dey wonder if they get family members. No, I wonder, just the wonder. I don't care anybody. Do they have family members? Because if they get, so the family members, they allow them, they do all this nonsense wey we are just they see every corner. Madam, the fact say your breast don't they fall, you know me say you be adult. You understand me? So because keep all this your plenty grammar to yourself. See, nowadays there's small children, I don't just understand. They don't they get some kind liver. Everybody just they tattoo anyhow. All these small children. No, go check them. Since day one, when we they hear tattoo matter, go check their age. Go check their age. At this age, they take tattoo seriously, like say now one career. This word don't budget. Oh, this word don't budget. Those days. Even to paint your nails, those days, we dey fear. Like we just like you go calculate and face, you go look for excuse, wait till you go talk, wait till sometimes we go paint our nails as we dey come up for house, hide them. The time when we dey come back, we don't clean and finish. But now, no, see. Everybody feel say they go just enter tattoo shop. Like you know understand, tattoo shop don't become supermarket. Everybody just they feel now, say they feel. Wahala. Tattoo artists now, they show say they do serious cash out. Tattoo artists. But I say me some I go soon open tattoo shop. Yes, because they don't know what to do with their money. So I go help them. I go help them spend that money where they useless anyhow. Before you become parents, make sure say you make money. before you become parent, make sure say you make money. They very very important, because if na your pikin dey feed you, you know how you wan correct am? No, tell me, if your pikin dey feed you, how you wan correct am? Except if you no wan chop that day. You go just that day, just no say no food for you the whole of that day. Try am. Now why many children dey misbehave? Because na then they bring food on top table, and they know say parents now they no go fit talk, because they know wetin dey sup. No be so this one happen. Wetin be the one guy go drop Bobrisky too. Imagine after he drop Bobrisky, the mama come. Hey Bobrisky, oh, thank you ma, God bless you, long life and prosperity. I know just make you no be saying na me just dey talk. Abeg, join me, make we watch the video.
Hi Bobrisky, good morning ma. Please, my son will come with you. Please help my son. My son draw you for their hand. Please, God will bless you, mama. Long life and prosperity. God will bless you. Bye.
Person mama now una just watch now. Shame everywhere. She even dey call Bobrisky ma. Like, I'm not just understand. Una dey smoke foolishness. Foolishness now na smoke, because I know that everybody just any small thing. You were supposed to caution your pikin. Say don't do that, don't do this. Your pikin never draw you. Go una do video, una come outside, they tell us. He never draw you, he draw Bobrisky. Even they come out, they bless Bobrisky. May our parents don't put us into shame in Jesus' name. Very serious. Because this one a serious shame. Bobrisky na the biggest canker one where they destroy this generation. The biggest one. And the thought alone of how the next generation will be like, even they make me fear. Because if this one, where he will dey like this, na joke, then imagine the next one where go happen. I dey fear. Because see, na many of us go born. Now many of us go born pikin for this next generation where they come. Me and you. So abeg, we get plenty work to do. By that time, we don't born our children. And by that time, the system go even worse. Parents. See, thinking of this thing now in another way, because she also mentioned, una hear am for the video where she dey talk say many of una na hypocrite, because una go dey condemn am, yet una go dey go Bobrisky in DM. She dey talk true. This matter I don talk am before. Many of una go come outside public. Hey, they insult am, they insult Bobrisky, they do this one. Go check behind now, then go dey hail am. If Bobrisky put something, they go comment. If Bobrisky do something, they go Bobrisky DM, they beg Bobrisky for money. We don't even know who they with us again. We they fight this thing, abi we know they fight am. I need know, because for her to talk this thing, I be say it they happen, and through me I don't see am. Some go even they put love emoji if Bobrisky post picture. Una they fight this thing, or una they against. I cannot just understand una. Tattoo. Make una check that girl background. Very, very important. Check that girl background. Person wey fit come out talk this kind of thing. No moral values. From the under to the top, no moral value. You come outside, you draw complete man wey get full gundus, pretending to be woman. You draw am for your chest, and you dey come outside, you get mouth, you dey come tell us, you dey come vomit nonsense. Oh my shey. Parents, una need wake up. Now why I bring this matter here? Una need wake up seriously, because this thing don't go off hand. And government, I don't say una don't sleep since. Please wake up and do something concerning this thing. Bobrisky need to go behind bars. See commotion where this man just dey cause everywhere. All of una way una dey claim say una get power, una get this one, una do this one. I don't know how come up till now una never do something about Bobrisky. With all the powers una get. Make I not go into that one self. My people, I better na the matter I bring like this. Una understand? So I need una support. Now why una need share this video? Because this thing don't dey go too much. You don't see, you don't pass, be careful. So share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen. Parents need start dey caution their children. It is very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. Still drop those comments. I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.